Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of business process management, or BPM, and exploring its life cycle. BPM is the harbinger of change. It directly impacts how people work and what they do, making it a crucial element for any organization aiming to improve efficiency and effectiveness. The BPM lifecycle consists of several stages: design, modeling, execution, monitoring, and optimization. Each stage plays a vital role in ensuring continuous improvement. In the design stage, processes are identified and documented. This is where you lay the groundwork for what needs to be improved. Next is the modeling stage, where the design processes are simulated to identify potential improvements and predict outcomes. The execution stage involves implementing the processes in a real-world environment. This is where the rubber meets the road. In the monitoring stage, the performance of the processes is tracked using various metrics and KPIs. This helps in identifying areas that need further improvement. Finally, the optimization stage focuses on refining and enhancing the processes based on the data collected during monitoring. This iterative approach ensures continuous improvement. BPM is all about iteration and evolution to optimization. Quick iterations help in identifying and correcting serious problems early, providing the greatest benefit. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content on management and business processes.